Okay, so this is the mount that I use for my phones, for my iPhones. They have this MagSafe connector, and this thing charges and holds the phone. It's really nice because you can rotate the phone, you can have it straight, and I put both phones on there. I'm also using an iPhone right now to record this. And so when I initially hooked this thing up, I use these little Velcro ties to try and clean the wires up to hide them. But I don't know, I think maybe that's a little bit messy. So I'm going to try some black zip ties instead and see if it looks any better. So here's the before image. And let me change this out. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, I did one side so far. One zip tie down there in the bottom, one in the middle of the arm, and one here. And it's not bad. I think it's a lot better, right, than the Velcro ties, right? It's definitely a lot more low profile. And that's it. I think it's pretty good. It's a little cleaner. I don't know, what would you do? It'd be great to get the cable inside the tube, but I don't think that's possible. And maybe shrink tubing? I don't know. It might be okay. For the next project, I'm thinking about removing this entire thing out of the cup holder and putting a bolt here and go right through that hole and mount it here. So then I reclaim both my cup holders. But that's not today.